Manual vertical mills are used by students in the manufacturing engineering program for a variety of tasks. One thing the mills can be used for is face milling. This process is used to smooth out rough faces on parts. The students will set up the vertical mills by inserting the part into the 1/4-inch step jaw and tightening the clamp to secure it. Next, an indexable face mill with carbide inserts will be inserted into the spindle and held in place with a pneumatic system. The spindle speed is set to control how fast the face mill will turn. The X, Y, and Z coordinates of the saddle can be adjusted to get the part in the right place. Once the mill is spinning, the part will be moved below it by cranking the X-axis handle. The part now has a smooth finish on top. The manual vertical mills can also be used for drilling, slotting, and much more. The manufacturing engineering program at Ferris State University focuses on hands-on education to prepare students for careers in all aspects of the manufacturing field.